Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I was out here chilling with Fufu. Hey Fufi. And just gonna play with a little bit of char that I found while going through some stuff. I don't know if it's any good, but if you're going to check it, you may as well test it and see. I put a bunch of stuff in this tractor tire inner tube pouch that I had made a while back. It's just a piece of tractor inner tube. I think I stapled it. Yeah, it's just stapled. And it's got bits and pieces in it for Butcher, you gonna sit? Are you gonna sit down? Don't start coming and messing with me. Whenever. Okay, sorry. I got a crowd of helpers. Here is the striker that I'm going to use today. This is the Fuse. It's 01 heat treated from Wright. It drops a. See, I like to catch my sparks versus carving them. Yeah, I can't hardly make it do nothing that way. But this way, trying to stay in front of the camera. So I'm a catcher. So to demonstrate that, the way that I like to do it is I like to use char cloth, and I will put my char cloth on top of my stone and then strike it this way to catch. It's hard to do in front of a camera. To catch my pieces on top of my material up here. But this char that we have is just old punk. It's just some old bits and pieces of chunk, and here's some chaga. So this stuff's been floating around for a minute. I need to get a different rock. I've dropped a couple sparks down in there and it didn't do anything. That's something that happens sometimes when you have different materials. Butcher! Butch! Hey! Quit smacking on your private parts, bro. That's gross. Sorry, y'all. But, sometimes you let stuff sit for a long time. Oh, did you find a stick? Okay, buddy. Okay. And especially char, and it picks up a lot of moisture. This old thing will burn if I ain't careful. So it's still good. I'd probably, as little as left in there, I'd probably If anything, I would leave it. Fufu. Look, Tofu trying to steal my stuff. I would probably remake some stuff and put it in there. There's not a whole lot in that, but it does still work. I was going to see if I could transfer it over to this big piece right here. Have a big chunk there. But those work pretty good. And what all that punk is just, I don't think I have anything around me that's punky. There's some logs over here, but they're really not punky enough. They're still pretty crispy. But just old rotten wood. Whenever I make, I'll just fill this tin up. And if you fill the tin to the top, when you char it, there's only going to be about half a tin left. It shrinks pretty good. And then I've got a couple pieces of chaga. Sorry. In here also. Chaga doesn't grow much down here. We're not at the right altitude for it. Some people say they found large chunks of it on river birch and this and that. I've never found any. It's possible, I guess. I'm not saying that you can't, but I've never found any anyway. But this stuff, you can process it down and it'll catch embers, but also sometimes you can catch one on it. You need a sharper piece of flint. Like with this flint, see how flat? I mean, it looks like it's got a 90 on it, but the edge is not sharp. Like, it's not very sharp. This edge is pretty sharp, but the material on the outside of the stone right here on this edge is not going to cut like we want it to. Now, that first piece I had, that gray piece, this is of course, it's pretty dull too, but you can find some good sharp edges on this stuff that should work really well. Maybe I can drop some more on this and just see. You can take and powder this stuff, and it works better to catch with, but dang, mosquitoes are bad. Get a hammerstone to take and bust some chunks off of this. That worked. Just use it like a bopper. Watch your eyes when you do that. Just knock that off. Rock is not cooperating. But it would be hard to get the chaga to light like this anyway. I'm a char cloth kind of guy. That stuff works pretty good, but that stuff will smolder for a long time. It's nice to keep a little piece in your kit, because even if you had questionable char, it'd be a serious chunk right there. You could take and light a piece of that chaga, and I'm just going to dump this out. We'll make some more for next time. But the little fuse works great, I think. Now you'd have to practice whether you want to if you want to catch it or drop it on there. I like catching it better, but you need to practice everything. You may not have any char cloth like this situation. We would just need to drop it down in some char. Spray and pray. Pretty cool. Alright, y'all, there's some flint and steel for you. Now that I smell like a Sasquatch and smoke, I'm going to go inside and take a bath. Wash my hiney. But anyway, y'all appreciate the support. Check out the other creators over at LT Wright channel. Check us out on Instagram. Enjoy yourselves. Later.